Okay, guys, so let's talk about JavaScript while loop. So, okay, let me just define it. From MDN, the while statement creates a loop that executes a specified statement as long as the test condition evaluates to true. The condition is evaluated before executing the statement. All right, if you remember the tutorial on loops that I differentiated between the both of them. So, and here I have created the script tag already and I've included it. Okay, so while loop, for a while loop to work, we are going to, the condition as it was stated here, the condition is going to be evaluated before declaring the while loop. While let I equal to 0, then while I sorry I is less than 10. So the 10 will not be included. And while I is less than 10, then I can console.log. I can log the data. Hello, or let's say B. Then I can also, oh, sorry about that, just ignore that. I can also output the I integer there. So there's one more thing that we're supposed to do here that we are not doing. But let's see what is going to happen. Let's just bring up our console and raise it up a bit. And okay, I can see this place. It is executing it, executing it continuously. It is executing it continuously. That's what we call infinite loop. That's what we call infinite loop. So to prevent infinite loop, we just have to, don't forget this thing at the end, I plus plus. Okay, so I'm just going to I'm going to force reload it now. Okay, let me reload it from here, or okay, let me close it. Yeah, I've closed it and I'm opening it back. Okay, so it has executed successfully. So the other one at the other time was an infinite loop. So the best loop to use is for loop. Why? Because of this infinite loop problem. Because of the infinite loop problem. With the for loop, it is rare for infinite loop to occur than while loop, and for loop is easier and precise to use than while loop. So most programmers use for loop, and they prefer for loop to while loop. So I hope you understand this, and if you have any question concerning while loop, just feel free to ask in the comment section, and don't forget to visit the documentation on while loop and read more about it. Okay, so see you in next tutorial.